Good morning, everyone. It's Katrine with Blend Precisely and the Indie AI Business App. And I do have today a new prompt for you. We will be using in our website or for our website for our SEO basically. So I'm going to show you a little bit around why and how and when to use it. And I'm going to take myself out so you see everything. Just a second. Okay, so I'm working on my website here currently, thenaturalueducator.com. And as you know, we also have, or maybe you don't know, but we do also have our app design agency. And for the ones, especially for the ones that have an app with us or a website, this will be super helpful, but it will also be helpful for anybody having a website and you need always to do your own SEO basically. So search engine optimization, many people forget, but basically a really well done search engine optimization from your website or in your website can bring you a lot of organic traffic. And many people overlook the meta title and meta description tag, which is for you important because you will be indexed based on this from Google or by Google. So what you want to do is that and I'm going to speak about our app here currently, but if you have any other websites, make sure you check any other website services, make sure you check your own ones as well. We specifically have it for our native apps and for our PWA, which is a progressive web app, and it's basically for just a normal website. So anytime anybody goes out and searches for a specific service of yours or a product of yours, you want to make sure you get on Google search the first page, right? So if you put in, for example, let's just put in Natural Educator here for a moment, a lot of other websites come up. And that is because none of my stuff has been indexed currently for my website because it's still not live really. So the Natural Educator website needs to be indexed. So I want it to show up basically on the first page, on the first two pages, but pretty much only on the first page. And that is not so easy because you do have a lot of competition. And the way to get there is by being really thorough in creating your meta title and your meta description. And normally the meta title is anywhere around 70 characters and the meta description is anywhere around 150 characters. And then what you also want to do in your blog posts or anything you do, you really want to use keywords or long tail keywords as well. So this always comes, of course, with a load of work. And let's just go in here and put this one a little bit more visible. So this one here is one of my blog posts, and what I want to do is that I create a perfect meta title and meta description, and also make sure maybe that I have a small summary somewhere about this page that carries my keywords and my long tail keywords. The difference is keywords are sometimes hard to rank for because everybody is using them, like for example, essential oils. But if you have essential oils for acne skin, that is a long tail keyword. So there's a slight difference between keywords and long tail keywords. It's easier to rank for long tail keywords than it is for short keywords because everybody is trying to compete with you to rank for essential oils. And that's definitely difficult, especially if you put in essential oils here. A lot of other companies, especially sponsored companies, will come up first. And then, of course, you have the competition with Young Living and doTERRA and Essential Oil Company here and so on. But if you put in essential oils for acne skin, then it gets a little bit different already. And doTERRA and Young Living is not going to compete with you anymore. So these are long tail keywords versus regular keywords. And you can find keywords here by looking through what are people searching for. Essential oils, this is a really good indication for acne and scars and near me and Portland, Maine for hair growth and whatnot else. But also I have created another prompt was. That is the meta title prompt here, meta title and description generator. And all you need to do is post or paste in the text of your blog post, for example. So let's see if I can grab my blog post. And I'm going to grab this one here, copy it, and I hope I can paste it in here. And then just hit enter or use the little arrow. And what this tool is going to give you is a meta title, a meta description. So the meta title, the meta description, it's also going to give you keywords, long tail keywords, and then also a summary. So let's go back here and you have it. So mastering lead magnets, build your email list efficiently. What I can do now is copy this one out and paste it in here. Like this. And then I can come back here, use the meta description title. And it's built based on SEO experience. So you can use this one. And then I can still see if I normally want to incorporate, for example, other keywords into my text down here. So if I want to do that, then I probably would want to build anything in here that is appropriate for the text, but I also can look at the short summary. Magnets are crucial for, so I could probably add like a little summary, and this summary incorporates already some of the previously named keywords in here for you. So there's no big guessing around anymore. You can just copy and paste it if you like the text, and then maybe add it as a separate version down here, summary, and put it in like this. Let me just go down here. I don't want to bore you with this stuff, but I'm gonna adjust it to my screen, and then I'm gonna give it a bit more space. Come back down here, click save, and refresh this screen one more time. And then I basically should have, wait a second, update now, sorry. I didn't click update. Anyway, so you basically get this one. So use the copy and paste function if you want to save it somewhere, but it will also be saved down here under meta title in your account. And then you can incorporate these ones, and you can even ask further, can you now write me a small social media post with long tail keywords? And then it can go back and writes you a small social media post as well with the keywords here, because it has some memory buffer. And this way you can use your new blog post, you can promote it on social media, and then you're ready to go. All right. Let me see. If you have any questions, feel free to put them into the comment section and I will answer them. And other than that, I wish you a lot of fun with it. It's great, it's easy, and specifically, it saves you a ton of time. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone. Ciao.